The way that we shop clothes today, wear clothes today, is absolutely impossible for the world going forward.
Statistics show that we only use every item like a few times.
With accelerated consumption and fast fashion, if a trend happens every 6 weeks, is that even a trend?
Be picky with what you bring into your home and make sure that it's something that you can love and treasure and care for.
We need to see what is already here as our primary resource, rather than continue to feed the beast.
We can definitely see an attitude change amongst the consumers.
The way that we deal with the clothes that we already own is a fundamental element in the quest towards being more sustainable.
The Better Living program and the things that we want to do in care is to make clothes last twice as long with half of the environmental impact.
Try to use low temperatures. To save water, it's good to just do spot cleaning, clean the actual area that's dirty.
There is awareness that we can do as a company, and also work together with the fashion industry and all the consumers. If we do that and take call for that action, I think we can really make an impact.